9-stroke roll. This is a crotchet roll. So the 9-stroke roll is going to consist of 4 buzz taps and a beat. So it's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. On the left hand, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Or you can say buzz, 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 beat. Buzz, 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 beat. Okay? So with the 9-stroke roll, the hand you start on will be the hand you finish with the top on. So if I start in the right hand, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, the top at the end will be in the right hand. If I start in the left hand, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, the top at the end will be on the left hand. So the 9-stroke roll exercise, at the end of the roll in this exercise, I'm playing 2 extra taps. And that has nothing to do with making the 9-stroke roll any better, or it's nothing to do actually with the 9-stroke roll. What it is, it's just a little aid to add the rhythm to the exercise and to help you develop playing beats along with your rolls. Okay? But essentially the 9-stroke roll is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So the exercise sounds like this. Starting in your right hand, your pinch grip, after 2. 1, 2. Buzz, 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 tap, tap, tap. 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 Buzz, 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 tap, tap, tap.